Websites are everywhere. They are the shop windows of businesses, the town squares for communities, and the libraries of knowledge. Every website, from a simple blog to a complex e-commerce platform, needs skilled professionals to bring it to life. That's where web developers and web designers come in. They are the architects and the artists of the digital world, each playing a crucial role in crafting the online experiences we interact with every day. Think of a website like a house. The web developer is like the builder who lays the foundation, constructs the walls, and installs the plumbing and electrical systems. They ensure the website is functional, secure, and performs well. On the other hand, the web designer is like the interior decorator who chooses the colors, furniture, and decor. They focus on the look and feel of the website, making it visually appealing and easy to navigate. Together, web developers and web designers turn ideas into reality, creating websites that inform, engage, and inspire users worldwide. Web developers are the masterminds behind the scenes, writing the code that powers websites and web applications. They use programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build the structure, style, and functionality of a website. Imagine building with Lego blocks. HTML is like the blocks themselves, providing the basic structure of the web page. CSS is like the paint and decorations, adding colors, fonts, and layout. JavaScript adds interactivity, making the website dynamic and responsive to user actions. Web developers ensure that websites are fast, secure, and accessible to all users. They are problem solvers who enjoy the technical challenges of building something from scratch and seeing it come to life online. Web designers are the artists of the digital world, focused on creating visually appealing and user-friendly websites. They are masters of color, typography, and layout, using their skills to guide the user's eye and create a positive, emotional response. Imagine designing a magazine layout. Web designers carefully choose images, fonts, and colors to create a cohesive and engaging visual experience. They consider the user's journey through the website, ensuring that information is easy to find and navigate. Web designers are also advocates for user experience, striving to make websites intuitive and enjoyable to use. They conduct user research, create prototypes, and test their designs to ensure they meet the needs of the target audience. While web developers and web designers have distinct roles, they work closely together throughout the website development process. It's a collaborative dance where each partner brings their unique skills and perspectives to the table. The process often starts with the web designer creating wireframes and mock-ups, visualizing the layout and functionality of the website. The web developer then takes these designs and translates them into code, bringing the website to life. Throughout the process, there is constant communication and feedback between the designer and developer. They work together to ensure the website is both aesthetically pleasing and technically sound, meeting the needs of both users and stakeholders. The success of any website depends on the seamless collaboration between web developers and web designers. They are two sides of the same coin, each playing a vital role in crafting the online experiences we rely on every day.